tomb of Christ at the Church of the Holy Sepulchre at Jerusalem is under renovation, and it took them 200 years to decide to do that. And that's how it looks like at July 19, 2016. Wow. Okay, I don't know if I'm taking what I'm taking, because I cannot see it. I just put the enter the camera into a small hole. Then what I saw is that door and stuff only. You could see more than that, and later on I will see it by myself. My family is now entering into the tomb. And the church is the tomb of Jesus is under renovation. Let me see what we can see from here. And I hope that no one will shout at me when I'm doing it. And the entrance of the tomb is here as well. If you've been in the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, I'm not sure that you remember that tomb like that. To your left, yes.